Look, everyone's freaking out about AI ethics like it's just some boring checklist to tick off. But here's the brutal truth. If we don't get this right now, we're going to be telling ourselves lies about what's moral, what's right, what's worth fighting for. Founders, investors, leaders. You feel it, don't you? That chaos in your gut looking at how fast AI crashes through every rulebook we tried to set? It's terrifying. It's frustrating. You watch technology evolve faster than laws, faster than any moral guide, and you realize the rules you thought were steady now look shaky as hell. You're stuck between wanting to push forward, knowing AI will change everything, and the fear of unleashing something no one can control. Feeling powerless? Angry? That's valid. But here's the catch. Waiting for some perfect ethical framework to fall from the sky? Waste of time. It doesn't come. It never will. So, you have to make the call yourself. Not next year, not next quarter, now. Stop burning time debating vague ideals or hoping politicians fix this. The real work starts with your decisions. What you build, who you back, how you hold people accountable. Ethics isn't some distant philosophy anymore. It's the blueprint for survival. It's the code running through your startups and investment plans, whether you like it or not. Here's what you actually do. First, be ruthless about transparency. Insist every AI you build or fund explains itself clearly. No black boxes, no hiding behind tech jargon. If you don't understand how a system makes calls that affect people's lives, that system is a ticking bomb. Demand explainability like your company's future depends on it, because it does. Second, stop chasing tech just because it's shiny or trendy. Look for what delivers real human benefit, not just short-term gain or hype. Build and back AI that respects individual freedom, meaning it empowers users, doesn't replace their judgment, or trap them in algorithms designed to grab attention or manipulate. Ethics means letting people decide their own path, not forcing them into a digital cage. Third, force accountability like your career depends on it. Make sure the teams behind your products carry real responsibility when things go wrong. Set up concrete, enforceable consequences, not empty promises. If a system discriminates, misleads, or weaponizes data, someone pays the price, and it can't be the users or the powerless. Fourth, and this is crucial, build networks of trust across industries and borders. AI ethics isn't about laws from a single country or some slow-moving committee. It's about creating connections between people who get the stakes, who demand more than what legacy systems can offer. Founders, investors, operators, connect with whoever dares to care about doing this right and hold each other to standards that actually matter globally. And finally, accept this. What we call moral boundaries today are already being rewritten by AI. The old lines don't hold anymore, and if you freeze, you lose. That's a brutal fact. The only way forward is by owning that change, shaping it with deliberate and fearless choices. Don't let ethics be a buzzword or a PR move. Treat it like an engine you build and maintain with absolute rigor. You're not just chasing returns. You're not only building products, you're steering the very framework that will decide what's fair, what's allowed, what future humans get to live with. Screw waiting for someone else to write those rules. Be the ones who set them. Act with urgency, clarity, and ruthless honesty. There's no second chance in this game. You want to lead in AI? First, lead in ethics. And not some theoretical kind, but the hard, real, actionable kind you can hold in your hands and say, this is how we move forward. No more excuses, no more delays. If you don't do it, no one will, and the world won't wait. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.